Nah, you magged. AD, where you been, bro? I don't know. Yo, Sleepy, that nigga's a character. That nigga's a character. What Gabby did to Mo? I don't know. That's between them. Nigga said Silk really bought you're crazy. Never. I would never have to do that till you be going when I be joining. Nigga, you still don't even have my line, nothing, bro. Y'all know who I'm horny for. Yeah, you horny for Mo. We know. Bro, what the fuck? Niggas is like buying my shit. It don't even say like ha, bro. Like what the fuck? I'm gonna have to end this shit, bro. Niggas say, yo, niggas is waiting for a summertime. Nobody should go stream. Yo, Sleepy, shut up. Yo, I'm weak. Nah, Mo, he's ignoring me? Damn. You and Mo got some shit to handle. Nah, Sleepy, you a clown. Nigga said I got a subathon. No, I ain't gonna lie though. I was fire. But quite frankly, I am frost. Oh my Jesus. I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here, bro. I ain't even going front, bro.